हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी का जूलॉजी का पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम। ये सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ने 2019 में ऑर्गेनाइज़ कराया था, तो ये उसी का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। और आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस देख सकते हैं। मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 60 है। टाइम गिवन है 1.5 आवर्स। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। A purified protein fraction containing buffer with salt can be desalted by one of the following techniques. सो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है जेल फिल्ट्रेशन क्रोमेटोग्राफी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। द मिलर यूरे एक्सपेरिमेंट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड। जो मिलर और यूरे एक्सपेरिमेंट था वो क्या डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा था इनमें से? सो राइट ऑप्शन है द काइंड्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स दैट कुड हैव बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन द अर्ली अर्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग नाइट्रेट टू नाइट्रोजन गैस एंड नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड इज कॉल्ड अमोनिफिकेशन। So right option is C. Question number 4. A radula is. So इसका right option है a rasping tongue-like organ in the mollusks. So right option is D. Question number 5. Animals in which the blastopore becomes the mouth are called. ऐसे एनिमल जिनमें ब्लास्टोपोर माउथ बन जाता है उनको बोलते हैं प्रोटोस्टोम्स। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज सी। Question number 6. Which hormone causes excess skeletal growth or gigantism? So right option is A. Somatotropin. Question number 7. Which of the following cell compartment is associated with the protein skeleton composed of lamins? So इसका right option है D. Nucleus. Question number 8. Which of the following are not example of analogous structures? So right option is A. Wings of bat and butterfly. Question number 9. Which series progresses from the thinnest to the thickest in diameter? So right option is C. Nucleosome, histone, DNA, chromosome. Question number 10. Which Drosophila genes determine the identification of segments of the fruit fly larva? So right option is C. The segment polarity gene. Question number 11. Which phase of both mitosis and meiosis include DNA replication from 2 cells 2C to 4C? So right option is A. Interphase. Question number 12. Sense organ of Aurelia is called. It is called tentaculocytes. So right option is A. Question number 13. The excretory structure in the peripatus is. It is nephridia. Question number 14. Brachylaria larva is the example of class. It is the example of Asteroideae. Question number 15. Third, fourth and sixth aortic arches are present in. These are present in the teleost. Question number 16. A nucleosome is made up of. It is made up of H2A, H2B, H3, H4 and 146 base pair of DNA. Question number 17. A promoter of a gene is reported to be present at 35 position. That means the sequence is located at the upstream region. So right option is B. Question number 18. The 3 layers of adrenal cortex in correct sequence are. So right option is D. Zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. Question number 19. Melatonin is synthesized from. It is synthesized from tryptophan. Question number 20. A fluid-filled cavity formed during cleavage division in amphibian embryo is known as. It is known as blastocele. Question number 21. Which one of the following animal has been extinct in India? So right option is cheetah. Question number 22. Symmetry of jellyfishes It is radial symmetry. Question number 23. The most important characteristics of arthropoda is, so right option is A, jointed appendages. Question number 24. Identify the respiratory organ of Palaemon from the following. So right option is B, gills. Question number 25. Satellite chromosome contain, so satellite chromosome contain करते हैं NOR region. Question number 26. If a couple, the husband has a X-linked recessive disease and wife is homozygous normal, if they seek advice of a genetic counselor regarding having children, what advice will be the most appropriate out of the following? So right option is D. None of their male child will be affected. Question number 27. Which of the following is common to DNA replication and transcription? So right option is C. 5 to 3 dash direction in synthesis. Question number 28. Secretion of which hormone is regulated by renin-angiotensin system? So right option is A. Aldosterone. Question number 29. The dorsal lip of the blastopore of an amphibian embryo act as an organizer. So right option is A. Question number 30. The royal jelly of honeybee is secreted by pharyngeal glands of, so right option is A, worker bees. Ramachandran plot is used to describe, it is used to describe protein structure. Question number 32. The phenomenon of industrial mannerism was demonstrated for the first time in, it was demonstrated in the peppered moth. So right option is C. Which of the following vertebrate have taste bud in their skin? So right option is A, fish. Question number 34. Which of the following silk is produced only in India? So right option is tussar silk. Question number 35. Which of the following is not an indigenous breed of fowl? So right option is chittagong. Question number 36. Fixed action patterns are, so right option is C, shown even by animals reared in isolation. Question number 37. Which neurotransmitter released from the hypothalamus regulates secretion of prolactin? So right option is C, norepinephrine. Question number 38. A poly A tail is found in, it is found in mRNA. Question number 40. Coral bleaching takes place due to high temperature. Question number 41. Aquaferous system present in, it is present in porifera. Question number 42. In which larvae condition pre and post ciliated band is present? So it is present in trochophore larvae. Question number 43. A cnidocyte is a specialized cell which helps in capturing food. A biological rhythm of about 24 hours duration is known as circadian rhythm. Question number 45. Biological species concept give emphasis mainly on reproductive relationships. So right option is D. Question number 46. Chagas disease is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi. Question number 47. Which phylum is represented by only marine animals? So right option is Echinodermata. Question number 48. The typical larva of mollusks is, it is Voligal larva. Question number 49. Which of the following disorder is caused due to the monosomy of chromosomes? So right option is B, Turner syndrome. Question number 50. The bird that takes the longest migration is Arctic tern. So right option is A. Question number 51. Blubber is found in whale. Question number 52. Dengue is transmitted by Aedes. Question number 53. Which of the following types of bonds or interactions are least likely to be involved in the stabilizing the three-dimensional folding of the most proteins. So right option is B, electrostatic bonds. Question number 54. The unwinding of DNA is done by helicase. Question number 55. Which name is assigned to an individual which reproduces once only and then dies? So right option is Semele-Parity. Question number 56. Which is the secretory cell have a single species of immunoglobulin molecules? So right option is C, myeloma cells. Question number 57. The following cells act as a phagocytic cells except. So right option is C, PMNL. Question number 58. What is the name for mobile genetic elements? So right option is D, transposons. Question number 59. Which of the following fishes have poisonous pectoral fins? So right option is C, Heteroneustes. Question number 60. Ornithology is the study of. It is the study of birds. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my content and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more content. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.